Hello and welcome to this tutorial series about the Python library pvlib. In the upcoming series, I will tell you what pvlib is, how you can install it on your local machine, and how you can use it and adjust it step by step in order to fit your needs. So first question, what is pvlib? pvlib stands for photovoltaic library and was initially developed at the Sandia National Laboratories as a MATLAB toolbox, which was then later on implemented in Python as well. Further information about pvlib you can find on their read the docs alongside the API references, or if you have a more specific question, you can contact the Google groups. So now let's see how you can install pvlib on your local machine. It is suggested to use the Anaconda prompt by typing conda install -c pvlib. The -c here stands for channel, so you're basically telling conda, look at the channel named pvlib for the package pvlib. Now here you can see the packages that are going to be installed. One of them obviously is pvlib itself. The other ones are dependencies. We're going to type Y and hit enter in order to proceed here. Now Anaconda is going to download all the packages that we need and install pvlib on your local machine. For you, it might take a little longer because I had it installed before. Also, if you prefer to use the Python packaging indexing pipy, you may also use pip install pvlib in order to install it on your local machine. Now, after this whole process is done, you can go to your IDE and type import pvlib. You can then just execute by running the file, or in my case, I can also hit F5. And if you don't get an error, you properly installed pvlib on your local machine. So that's already it for this tutorial. If you ran into any problems so far, let me know. Also, if you have any remarks on what I showed you so far, feel free to leave a comment below this video. Otherwise, stay curious, be kind, and we'll meet again for another video. Bye.